Hello and welcome to Let's Google It, everyone. The banana overripe on your counter, we don't throw them out, we turn them into this delicious banana bread. Yes, today we're making banana bread. The banana nice and ripe, and nothing better than fresh banana bread. One of the cheap fork, and I always use this. Bend a little bit and let's mash the banana. And now let's work on the butter. Soft butter, yellow golden sugar. This is between white sugar and a brown sugar. With the hand mixer, we're going to whip the butter and sugar. That's how exactly it looked like. Now we're gonna add eggs. And every time you use egg in baking, vanilla extract to follow. Give it quick mix. Baking powder, salt, baking soda, a little bit of milk, cinnamon, quick mix. Perfect. Now we're gonna add the smushed banana. Start mixing again, and we're going to add the flour a little bit at the time. And yes, I'm over mixing the batter because I want the banana bread to become a little bit spongy. Chop walnuts, and I'm going to add half of them to the batter. With the rubber spatula, mix well to combine. And I'm using here 9 by 9 inch non-stick pan. Even non-stick, I always coat it with the cooking spray or oil, it's your choice. And now let's put all the batter in. Level it up and make sure your oven preheated on 325. A little tappy tap to make sure all the air pocket in the middle is gone. The rest of the walnuts, spread them on top and ready to go in the oven. And I have the timer set for 30 minutes and we'll check it out. And 35 minutes. Let's double check it. I put it 30 minutes and then I add another 5 minutes, and look at this beauty. I can't ask for better than this. Now with the bamboo sticks, let's check it out. Right in the middle. Nothing sticks, so it is ready. Now we're gonna let it rest 20 minutes and ready to be served. Look at this lovely. Now the taste test time. So I'm gonna cut it in half. Yum. And that's exactly how I want it. Nice and spongy. Wow. The walnut nice and puffy. And definitely this banana bread, it deserves like, subscribe and share. You go ahead, make it, enjoy it, and we'll see you next time. Take care.